Hi friends, we're going to work on our other phonics focus for our story, Officer Buckle and Gloria. So we had compound words and the schwa sound. So to this video, we're going to cover the schwa sound. Okay, so a schwa sound is kind of like the caveman So sometimes our vowel sounds make this schwa sound and have like an sound instead of the normal short sounds. We're going to go over some examples of that today and kind of see how those words change. So you need a piece of paper, something to write with, and a highlighter or light marker. Okay? So first let's write at the top our schwa so that you know that that's what this information is. So it's like this. Schwa. Alright, and I want you to write in 2 quotation marks, so like we did in our last story with dialogue. We also kind of use it to just mark how it sounds. So you're going to write an so schwa, okay? So it can be with any vowel. So the vowels, of course, are A, E, I, O, U, okay? So let's come up with some examples. All right, so we're just going to write some words, say them out loud, and see if we can identify what vowel has that schwa sound. All right, highlighter. So here's our first one. Nobody. So first, what are the vowels in here? Right, we have 2 O's. Listen to it out loud. Ready? Nobody. Well, we have O, which is that long O. That's not a schwa. It's not that b, d. This one right here has the sound. Listen to it. No, buddy. Right? Okay? So that's an example of the schwa sound. Nobody. Right? We think of our story. What kind of pudding did they slip on at the end? It was banana. Right? This one actually has 2 or 3 vowels. Again, all A, all the same. A, A, A. All right, and see if you can listen and hear that sound. Banana. It's actually 2. B, nan, n, now, n, banana. So that has a sound too. So these are some words that you just kind of have to know. It's not always easy to be able to identify where that schwa sound is. Okay? Let's try another one. All right, this is about. There are 3 different vowels in this word. You have A, O, U, but only one of them makes a schwa sound. About. About. You hear it in that A, right? That about. Because OU has that owl sound. So about, out. That's not the schwa sound. It's not that that gave me All right. This one, you might see at the beginning of fairy tales a lot. Upon. And you hear it right in that first one, right? Upon. Because that O is how it needs to be with the on. On. As an on. Alright, and one you might not have even really thought about, the word the, that E has that schwa sound. That's why it's kind of tricky to be able to sound out the. That's why it's a sight word. The, Alright, so we're going to come up with a few more examples of this schwa sound, and it's really just something you need to kind of practice those sight words with, because it's not always easy to be able to identify. Okay, so let's just do a couple more. So this is a season, has two vowels in it. Summer has U and E. See if you can figure out which one is that schwa sound. Summer. S-a-m-er. That U, right? S-a-a-ummer. Summer. So it's got that schwa sound. Alright, what about this word? Just. Well, there's only one vowel in this, but you can hear it just. So see to yourself when you read it, if it sounds like you're kind of like a caveman, it's that schwa sound, right? Let's just do a couple more and then be done. So the word circus, great example of a few things. A circus has two vowels, an I and a U. It has two C's that both make the different C sound. So we have a soft C, sir, and then we have a hard C, k, us, us. Where do you hear that sound? Sir, k, us. That U, right? That us. Right? So of course then the word us, just by itself, would also have that schwa sound. Alright, let's see one more. Alright, you have around. Again, has three vowels, A, O, U, similar to our about. So using that, where do you hear and where do you think that our schwa sound is? That first A, right? Round. That OU has an ow sound. So around, has that schwa sound, okay? So remember again, think of the visual, it's like a caveman, that sound. And sometimes the vowels just make it, okay? It's one of those interesting things about the English language. So it's something you gotta kind of practice and listen for that sound in your words. All right, friends, have a great rest of your day.